Here's Chris here. We're at the 3 pools. 1, 2, 3, and he's jumping. Jump from up where that wet spot is, right there. Right where your feet are. Yeah. And just jump out. Yeah, right into the middle. Just do it. You're on camera. Pencil dive. Yep, jump out. Woo! He's alive. Smile, Chris.